What up?
What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of B2AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, it's gonna be a very short one. I just wanted to go over something real quick. It's a new website update, or like a new little feature we have on our website. And that is that now we are allowing you producers to download and purchase our individual samples. So if we have melody samples in, different sample packs like the AT Sound Kit 4, the AT MIDI and Melody Loop Kit 4, Spacey samples, as well as other sample packs, we now feature those samples, melody samples, and their stems in this new thing. So if you go to the B2AT website, like where we're at right now, we go over here to samples and downloads, and you'll see this new little thing. Let's say samples and loops. Let's click it. Down here, we can see we have a little BeatStars page, and here is where you guys can play through the different samples that we have and see what we have and then buy them, and it will send it immediately to your email or whatever your BeatStars account info is, and you guys will get the zipped files including the stems of each melody loop. So I'm gonna go through and play a couple of the sample loops. You guys can see like how many we got here. And then also, if you guys want to get multiple, they are the deals: buy 4 get 1 free, buy 8 get 3 free, buy 12 get 6 free. I will say this, it is cheaper if you buy the whole sample pack directly from our website, and you guys would get more. But if you guys just want a specific sample, or don't want the whole pack and just want a couple melody samples, this would be the route to go. Let's just play through a couple ones.
What up? What up? What up?
Kind of like a Playboy Cardi type beat. Ooh, this is a fire sample. This is like definitely one of my favorites. This is sample 23.
Beat it, IT, what up? 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 Beat it, IT, what up?
I'm just flipping through different samples.
Beat it, IT, what up? 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 Beat it, IT, what up
And if there's ever like an element in the beat that you guys don't like, you can always just take it out and then, you know, use it, because we give you the stems. So I mean, I could be here all day playing through these samples. There's so many that are so fire.
Beat it, I think what up, 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 beat it
Is he gonna play?
Purchase your tracks today.
Yeah. So you guys can see there's several samples for you guys to get started or just check out and cop and use in your beats. If you're an independent producer, beat maker, we don't want any money from you, you know what I mean? So you guys can use these samples, use these loops, sample them, do whatever you want, and put them in your BeatStars beats or sell them to independent producers or do whatever. I mean, not sell to independent producers, but sell to independent artists. It doesn't matter. We're trying to make it super simple for you guys. We want to hope that these samples can help you land more placements, land more sales, and also allow you to make more beats in a shorter amount of time. For $2.50 per sample, that's based on what most people are offering for the price per sample. So if you guys like that, if you guys like these samples, I'll put the link to this down in the description down below. In the next video, we'll come here and pick a sample and make a beat from it, and you guys will see the stems that are included inside that sample, and you guys can see clearly what sample pack each sample is from. Just like from the 18 MIDI and melody loop kit, a lot of these samples, their MIDI are actually included in the whole kit, so that might be a better option. So if you guys also want to get a free sample pack as well as a special offer, I'll put the link down there as well. The special offer link as well as the link to these individual samples. Hopefully this helps you hopefully this helps you producers out, and beat makers want to make sure as many producers and beat makers can use our tools and samples and melodies as possible. Talk to you guys later.